Sboly electric Burr coffee grinder with 18 grind settings, adjustable Burr mill coffee bean grinder for espresso, drip coffee, French press and percolator coffee, cleaning brush included. 18 grinding settings. This electric coffee grinder offers 18 kinds of coffee ground grinding sizes. Its output should satisfy anyone's filter coffee needs. An even grind, wide range of settings, and ease of use offers a more consistent, versatile grind. A range of size selection from finest, espresso grind, to coarsest, for French press or steeping cold brew. So now espresso, drip coffee, French press and much more are all at your fingertips. Adjustable quantity, 2 to 12 cups. The coffee grinder has a high capacity to make 12 cups of grounds. There are clearly marked grind settings, since those who brew coffee regularly will want to easily repeat the optimal settings for their daily brew. The adjustable cup settings can meet any serving needs. Good for single cup for one, or a large gathering of many. Great for home or office use. Uniform coffee grounds. It grinds coffee more evenly than almost any other machine. The ground coffee produced by the stainless steel Burr grinder is fine and even, which better retains the coffee's natural aroma and flavor for rich, robust, great taste. Grind size consistency is the #1 thing good grinders do right. It's the most important feature if you want to get the most even, balanced extraction with every brew. Easy to clean. The upper chamber, container, and the grinding burr inside the machine can be removed easily for cleaning. After grinding, you can also use a cleaning brush to clean the coffee grinder inside. It's also super easy to clean and maintain, meaning it'll be an investment you can rely on morning after morning. Durable burrs made of material like steel last over time and are easy to maintain and clean with a stiff brush. Compact design. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.